Brad just got a hit trolling in. He's on his kayak. We're right at the buoy. I'm going to pause this for just a second, set it down, see if I can't get over there to him. He's fighting it. The fish is pulling him pretty good, pulling him towards the beach, so we're not going out to sea. I'm going to paddle with the camera, so bear with me.
Just a minute ago in the real stream. Is the GoPro blinking? Brett?
I can't tell. There's a fish on as soon as he gets close. We'll know what it is. It's most likely a king mac. Can you see it yet, Brad?
He took out a lot of yards, but we're going.
What'd you catch it on?
Duster and cigar minnow. The new pink dusters we got today. They're similar to what's on your rod.
That's what he caught it on.
Man, that was a good try. Woo,
This
it's
is
big. I can see the shadow now.
this is a good fish.
That is decent. I'm bringing him up. He's gonna freak out.
Oh, there he is, peeps. See it? As a king mackerel.
Oh yeah, baby. Woo.
That is what you call shark bait.
That is the nice one. Push me out. Actually, pull me around, dude. Oh yeah, he's a decent one too. He's belly up.
No, he's gonna take another run. Here, if you can point your rod over my way, I'll grab him by the tail.